G'day, little explorers. Welcome to the land of hopping wonders. Have you ever heard of animals that carry their babies in a pouch and can leap as far as a car? Yes, you heard that right. These fascinating creatures are none other than kangaroos. Well, get ready for an adventure, because we're about to meet the incredible kangaroos of Australia. These animals are not just any ordinary creatures. They are unique and full of surprises. Kangaroos are like something out of a fairy tale. Imagine a land where animals hop around like characters from a magical storybook. These amazing creatures hop and bounce with the energy of 100 bouncy balls. Can you imagine having that much energy? It's like they have springs in their legs. Their powerful legs and big feet are perfect for traveling long distances. They can cover great distances in a single bound. But that's not all. Kangaroos are full of surprises. Did you know they can swim? And they use their tails for balance when they hop. So put on your explorer hats and let's hop into the wonderful world of kangaroos. There's so much to learn and discover about these incredible animals. Are you ready for the adventure? Kangaroos love the warm sunshine and wide open spaces. They live in a place called the outback, which is like a giant playground with red dirt, tall grasses, and sparkling waterholes. The outback can get very hot, but kangaroos have clever ways to stay cool. They rest in the shade during the day and come out to play when the sun goes down. Sometimes kangaroos even lick their arms to cool down. It's like their very own way of having a refreshing ice cream on a hot day. One of the most amazing things about kangaroos is their pouches. These unique features are like nature's little pockets, designed perfectly for their young ones. Mother kangaroos have a special pocket on their tummies called a pouch, where their babies live. This pouch is not just a simple pocket, it's a safe haven for the joey. When a baby kangaroo, called a joey, is born, it's tiny, like the size of a jelly bean. Can you imagine something so small and delicate? The joey crawls into its mother's pouch and stays there, snug and warm, drinking milk and growing bigger. This pouch provides everything the joey needs to grow strong and healthy. As the joey grows, it starts to peek out of the pouch to see the world. It's like a little explorer, curious about its surroundings. And guess what? Sometimes you can even see the joey's little head and feet sticking out. It's a delightful sight, showing the bond between the mother and her baby. The mother kangaroo hops around with her joey safely tucked inside, ready to face the world together. This bond is truly one of nature's wonders. Kangaroos are the ultimate hopping champions. They can jump incredibly high and far, thanks to their powerful legs and big feet. It's like watching a bouncy ball competition in slow motion. When kangaroos hop, they use their long tails for balance. Their tails are strong and sturdy, like an extra leg, helping them stay upright and hop with amazing speed. Some kangaroos can even swim. They use their strong legs to paddle through the water, looking for tasty plants to munch on. Kangaroos are herbivores, which means they love to eat plants. They graze on grass, leaves, and even flowers. It's like having a salad buffet in the outback. Did you know that kangaroos have special stomachs that help them digest tough plants? It's like having a built-in food processor. Kangaroos also have a special way of drinking water. They can conserve water in their bodies and can go for a long time without taking a sip. Talk about being water-wise. Kangaroos are amazing animals that are important to the environment. These unique creatures, with their powerful hind legs and iconic pouches, have fascinated people for generations. They are not just symbols of Australia, but also play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their natural habitats. They help keep the grass and plants in check, and they're a vital part of the Australian ecosystem. By grazing, they prevent overgrowth, which can reduce the risk of wildfires and promote the growth of diverse plant species. This, in turn, supports other wildlife that shares their habitat. But sometimes, kangaroos face dangers like habitat loss and climate change. Deforestation and urban expansion can destroy their homes, making it harder for them to find food and shelter. Climate change can also alter their environment, affecting their survival. That's why it's important for us to learn about them and protect them. Education is key to understanding the challenges they face and finding ways to help. By teaching children about kangaroos, we can inspire the next generation to take action. So, little explorers, let's all do our part to keep kangaroos hopping happily in the outback for many years to come. Whether it's through conservation efforts, supporting wildlife organizations, or simply spreading awareness, every action counts. Remember, every little bit helps. Planting trees, reducing waste, and protecting natural habitats are just a few ways we can make a difference. Small steps can lead to big changes. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, and keep the love for animals alive. By staying curious and informed, we can ensure that kangaroos and other wildlife continue to thrive for generations to come.